Hello, I am A.L. Banson and welcome to Mastering the Game. Stick with me and in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to share with you a key that will change the quality of your life. Here's a quote from my book, Mastering the Game, that centers around the character and success of Cristiano Ronaldo. You don't need to be the most talented. You need to be the most committed, the most resilient, and the most relentless. In life, success is all about 5% talent and 95% work, resilience, and commitment. So if you are talented, that's just 5%. But what makes that talent a skill and a competence is your resilience and your relentlessness and your commitment to developing that talent. So what talent do you have that you are going to develop? I want you to show me in the comment below and also share any motivational quotes about talent that other readers of the comments can benefit from. Ronaldo was gifted with the talent of being a football player, but he was committed to developing it, nurturing it day in, day out. He was resilient, which means he decided never to break under pressure. He was also relentless. He made up his mind never to quit, and that is what you need. You must commit yourself to nurturing your talent every single day, be resilient, never break, and then be relentless, never quit. Lionel Messi, Neymar, Mbappe, Pele, Maradona, Michael Jackson, Michael Jordan, all the business greats, the political greats, they never gave up. They committed themselves to developing and harnessing their gifts. I want you to share this video with your friends on all your various platforms. Comment and like it. Help me grow this channel. And I'll see you next time for another take from Mastering the Game. This has been A.L. Banson. I'll see you again. Bye-bye.